Hello everyone, good evening, good afternoon, good morning whenever you're seeing this video. So yeah, it's been a long time I've been not been live. Actually I went to my hometown since I was living in Bangalore and I'm living in Bangalore right now. So I actually have some work, then I get back to my hometown. Now I am back. So it's a month break now. But let's cope up with this month break. I know that today I will definitely find the market to be really difficult, but let's get started. So I'm just give me a minute. I just want to share my screen first. Okay, hopefully my screen is visible to everyone. Yep. So this is how market is. I'm coming, guys. Okay. Yeah, this is a bit comfortable T-shirt. So let me yeah. So let's see what is happening in Bitcoin, and let's have a eye on gold as well. Uh, So let's see what is happening at gold in a 4 hour time frame. I am side by side opening trading view as well, as I'm a little bit uncertain with my current chart implementation. Although like this is a free chart implementation, that's why I'm a little bit uncertain. But never mind, we can just see with what is happening um, in the real time chart. So what is this 4 hour time frame? So what you can see is 4 hour time frame. Let me delete all the coins. So at 4 hour time frame, we can just see that market is in lower lows. But here we can see market is in lower lows, but some of the candles are missing. Hmm. All right. Let's see what is happening on daily time frame. So on daily time frame, hmm, if we see in the long perspective, then we can find the market is in higher highs. But after the second Feb, market crashed, gold crashed, and now from that point of time, market is in lower lows. So we can see that first crash happened at this time frame, 29 June to 2nd Feb. Second crash happened on 2nd March. Now market showing another low from this point, that is 15th April, and now it is in the downward move. So we can just see that nearby support is at this area. So this can act as a support, but the same time market is in weak condition. Like market tried to bounce back from this point, this position, this buying, but it went and it after some days it start consolidating. A, see, market behaves in certain way. This is where the momentum. This is where the market is gaining momentum, and from this point of time market went to this point, right? And you can just see that excitement is diminishing day by day. Here market is pumped up super high that I will cross this. And after few days, market starts making this candle like this. And this is literally the point where market shows that there are sellers at this area. So this is a pump down. And after that, market behave in not a good manner. It is basically testing that is there any seller or not, or is there any buyer or not. Then market tried to make a pump up again. Then it faced another rejection on the single day, and again market tried another rejection. So first, second, and third attempt, all third three attempts failed in going in the up direction. Then market find an opportunity because these buyers are weak. All the buyers are weak. Then what if there are no buyers? Then who are in the market? Then which people you can expect in the market? Then we can find these sellers out there. So this is where market starts selling. Though you can see that this is the trend line where market is following the trend line. So you can just see. So you can just make this trend line like this. Market is following a trend line where this is a buyer shifting here and here. But as you can see, after this good red candle, the chances that market will fall is extremely high because market if the buyers are interested, then they can, in the three attempts buyers failed, then the buyers are interested and then they can take the fourth attempt in the higher rise, but the fourth attempt failed and market went in a downward direction. So this is the confidence gaining area for sellers. And after this, you can just see that this is the inverse pin bar candle or hammer candle, can say, which shows the continuity of the selling. And after this, you can just see that market continue slowly on the daily basis, but as you can see, the market is good in the falling direction. Now, this is a pullback, although like there is no reason that all of a sudden buying came because the uh, existing buyers is at this area. They are resting at this area. So there is a hugely less chance that someone come and buy from here because this is aggressive selling from the seller side, and seller are in dominance. And if seller are in dominance, no, because if one or two players comes and try to push the market from here, then profit the profit running sellers will kick them out because there are so many sellers who are making profit and they want to make profit till here. So this is the area where seller dominance, and this is the pullback where it invited new and uh, the left out sellers who forward to or who missed their opportunity at this area. Then this is the way they jumped in again and try to make the market in the downward direction. So our POP is in the selling direction in uh, gold. So let's see, on a daily time frame uh, we are sellers, and there are still hope for sellers, although there is little bit. Let me draw this with a rectangle. So this is where you can see a little bit support in the buying side. So from here, market can struggle and uh, can make you a little bit cry. So this is the selling area and this is the buying area. So let me mark this as green as well as well. And if you jump to 15-minute time frame, you can see that market is beautifully in the selling side. Now it is taking a little bit of support, but I'm extremely bullish. Sorry, I'm extremely bearish in the gold. If I find any opportunity in the cold, I will definitely let me reload the scroll again. I just want the full chart actually. Yeah, now this is proper chart. So, oh sorry, this is for 5 minutes. For 1 hour, it is for 15 minutes. It is quite good. So, actually want to 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart. Okay, so it is quite clear that this is the buying area. So let me into a rectangle like this area. So this does a little bit buying area which I have seen, and which market is also respecting. So we should also respect the buying area. We cannot all of a sudden commit to the selling because this is where the buyers are active. Though buyers will not, this is where the sellers are active. This is the selling area, and pigment time frame. See, this is where the selling happens. So right now, this is no trading zone. We can't predict where the market can go. So though market has the tendency to move in the downward direction, we will see that how market will perform. So I am just adding this into the watch list. What is this? Add. Yeah, please add this. Just put this on the top of the list. Okay. So forex, let me put it on forex. Or let me make my list. No, I don't want. I just want my list. Create my list. Oh, it needs premium subscription, so I don't want to pay. So this is where I'm including premium. Now, I have to see what is happening at Bitcoin. So on the daily time frame, oh crazy word. Okay. On the daily time frame, market is in higher highs. What is happening on the weekly time frame? So this is what is known as is top-down approach. So you just see what is happening on the higher time frame, then you switch to the lower time frame and find the best possible trade. You can find the pattern, what is happening or what is not. Guys, I can see a pattern in on weekly time frame that this is. Let me draw. This is the buying zone, guys. From see, you can just see market on 20, like 3 years ago, market is going in up direction and start consolidating for like how many months? Feb to September. Like it went in consolidation phase for 6 to 7 months, and after that you can just see that buying came from this area only. All right, and after this buying, again a consolidation phase and market fall, but it didn't fall much. It made another buying area, so buyer shift from here to here, and they took the market from here to here. And this last year July, market went in the consolidation phase again up till October, and from October it starts falling, and it stopped falling on 2nd of Feb, right? So it came to the point where 3 years ago buying happened, all right, or 2 years ago buying happened. So this is the buyer's area again, and you can just see that market is pausing at this area. That means it is building the base for the buyers. Like all this is already finished. This as and ऐसे तो like anything can happen in the market, but as you can see with the price action, this is already a huge fall for the last 6 to 7 months, and after this you can just see that all these sellers definitely book their profit, all those stuff, and now they are just booking their profit, inviting new buyers to come in, and these sellers might turn into buyers as well. So this is exactly the area where you can just see double bottom formation was also happening, double and triple bottom, and from here market is trying to make another high. So we can also, although like this can also act as a pullback, and the market can make another low if it crosses this area. This is a huge buying area, then market will crash, definitely crash. But people are interested in buying right now, and people are interested for buying in the last couple of weeks. You can say from last 1 month, buying is happening for, like you can just see monthly candles well. So last 1 month, buying is happening, right? This is buying candle. So let me put in the daily time frame. That is what is happening here. So you can see that from these like last 2 months, buying. This is consolidation phase, and from this 2nd of April, you can just start seeing the curve is going in the up direction. So this is the EMA direction also telling that market is in trending in the up direction. So what we can see that although like you can just see that market is facing rejection from here, so this can act as a new little bit selling zone that market is struggling to crack, and there is a reason, specifically reason for this. You can just see that this is the selling zone in the last time. So there are market tried first time, second time. Now this is the third time market is trying to cross this area, but every time it is facing a rejection. So we have to be a little bit careful. Although like the momentum is in the up direction, but it is at a crucial stage where the sellers are sitting, and they don't want the market to go in the up direction so easily. What we can do is we can analyze this area from here, and we can just draw a little bit of rectangle over here, just to, although like this rectangle is not a mindset or something like that. Let me remove this uh, opacity as well so that it is less irritating to us. Now let's see what is happening at 1 hour time frame, and at 1 hour time frame you can just see the market is going up, facing rejection, went in the consolidation phase, going up again, consolidation phase. Sorry, making momentum. This is aggressive selling, and from this, this is what double bottom happened, and then market went into up direction again. Now this is exactly the area where double bottom also happened again. After this much of breakout, market fall in the uh, so this can have, so this can leads to a free fall in the downward direction, but somehow these buyers, the buyers at this area is preventing market to fall. So this can leads to a new high in the up direction. So our POV is that we can take a trade in the up direction, and let's see what will happen. So this is what happening for 5-15 minute time frame. This is where, this is the red line from 4 hours time frame, and now mm, might be my energy. Uh, Looks like that I'm tired or something. It happens because after 8 or 9 hours of office can feel something like this. But we have to change our time, so we have to do trading. Because otherwise, there's no option at all to change the time. Nothing. To change the life, I have to work hard, extra hours in trading. I have to learn trading in such a way that can I can lift this shitty life. Going office daily, coming back, preparing mind again to go office tomorrow, doing what manager wants, what the management wants, then waiting for the appraisal. A good buying is happening, guys. So let's switch it to 55 minutes. So there is an opportunity that we can find it out here. We should have taken a risk. Let's see. Because um, what is happening in gold? There's a buying zone in gold. Gold is also going into buying zone. What I predicted in gold? What is my analysis in gold? Okay, analysis is right now no buying a trade should be implemented because the reason being that market is in extremely downfall, although it took support from here, but this can be treated as a pullback as well. So it has to cross something like 50 to 60% of this fall, then market has the tendency to reach this selling zone again. But right now there is no buying and selling zone as such in the market, so we have to wait because there is no such trade on the market yet now. Coin. गाइस मुझे एक मिनट टाइम। Gold already reached at the selling zone. As you can see, after reaching at the selling zone, it start facing a rejection, which is good. We should have bought some Bitcoin at this area, not full quantity, but at least half of the quantity. Silver, let's see what is happening at silver. Silver is also at its selling area. Yeah. But the momentum, as you can see, the momentum is good. This momentum will definitely, this momentum will definitely break out this selling area, because the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the candle strength is good. The buying candle is good. That means buyers are interested in taking the market in the direction. So little bit of rejection. Market can face little bit of rejection here, but the thing is that we can trade in silver as well, but at the same time we have to focus on gold as well, like what gold is trying to do. Bitcoin will definitely reach at this area, then it will decide what it has to do. Otherwise, mm, let's see what is happening at dynamics. So this is Trader's Diary, guys. That is my diary for the month of May. No trade at all. Last month, as you can see, I have traded 30th of April just for the sake of this month that I have done something, and that too ended up in making a loss of $5.6. This is my March month, which is extremely profitable, $2,000. Mm, I'm more than happy that in 17 trading days out, I have won 10 times. But But at the end of this week, I also struggle in getting a point. But it happens. It happens, guys. Feb is also a good month. Jan is extremely disappointing month. So does June, December. But I think we are doing progressing good only. Should have continued in April as well, but for some reason I haven't. Yeah, now silver has already reached at the selling area and now it is a little bit struggling, but the chances of the silver going in the direction is quite high. Bitcoin is reaching its selling area. We have missed the trade in the Bitcoin because this is good, good buying candle, which is giving the indication that buyers are interested in taking the market from here to here. Mm, चट दिया मार दी खींच के तुम चाह. This is extremely boring thing to do, but this is mandatory thing to do. Next 3 days is going to be Bitcoin has reached almost reached silver. Oh, crazy God. Wow. Just look at the breakout. This is the breakout that everyone wants. What is happening at silver, guys? Okay. Gold. Hi. There is no trade in gold that you can take. So we have to see this. This will not act as a buying zone. That's the only problem. But bro, this Bitcoin is extremely good. Please, just look at this candle. Just look at this candle. This is extremely good candle, and it's 10 minutes left to close this candle. And I am 100% sure this candle is going to close on the upside. So what you can do is Wow, we can take a part in this. And let's look at this gold as well because gold is giving an opportunity in selling side. Scalp can be order that can be executed this area. Mm, what should be the stop loss look like? 3 points. Three not. There is 5 point stop loss. Okay. If I sell 30 quantities, then it is requiring what is this? I can sell 10 quantities. Let's punch the sell order. I punch the sell order. Um, let's take over this stop loss. So stop loss should be at the high of this zone, and this is my. So stop loss is $68, which is too much. Can't get this much of stop loss. I think I have punched in the wrong trade, guys. Let's wait. Let's see what is happening at Bitcoin. गाइस बिटकॉइन में अपना ट्रेड रह गया यार, अपन गोल्ड में लगे रह गए। गोल्ड ने कुछ नहीं दिया अपन को। बिटकॉइन में ट्रेड लगा सकते हैं गाइस। बिटकॉइन नहीं रुक रहा भाई। बिटकॉइन नहीं रुक रहा। गोल्ड की ट्रेड से हटाओ पहले तो पहले। चलो ले लिया गोल्ड में तो ले लिया। हम्म, थोड़ा सा हार्ड है गोल्ड के लिए गिरना। बिटकॉइन बिल्कुल ही मौका नहीं दे रहा अपन को घुसने का। दे दे भाई थोड़ा सा मौका दे दे। गोल्ड थोड़ा सा नाटक कर रहा है अपने साथ। चलो गोल्ड गिरना स्टार्ट हो गया। बिटकॉइन में क्या सीन चल। अरे यार बिटकॉइन भाई। थोड़ा सा तो दे दे सांस। ओके स्टिल 52 सेकंड्स टू क्लोज दिस कैंडल। और कैंडल अच्छा तो क्लोज नहीं कर रहा है। Should have closed in the downward direction, but for some reason it has taken support. Eight on the financial map. Stop loss तो बहुत छोटा रखा है और they have already put the stop loss very minimum. $44, nothing in front of gold. But I will not take much in this trade. And I already see this that it is not going in the favorable direction as Bitcoin. Yeah, now Bitcoin is giving a chance. We will punch the order at this area. Option, option, option. So, so this is my area where we will punch Bitcoin. गोल्ड में कुछ मोमेंट आया है इस नीचे के साइड ही आया बिटकॉइन में मौका मिल रहा है छोटा सा पुल बैक तो मिल गया गाइस नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ दिस पुल बैक looks like 30 minute with the laser rejection I like last time 30 minute last time you can see that rejection happened at the same time same areas only. And you can just see that the rejection also is happening at this area right now. So we have to be a little bit careful in PTC. Gold is doing what gold is best to do. Following, guys, following. Okay. I don't know from where this support is coming from. Let's wait for the candidate moves. देखो अगर यहाँ से नहीं गिरा मार्केट तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है गाइस adding how much 5 400 stop loss increased a bit but I have sold 15 quantity guys okay just decreasing my stop loss to the same still the stop loss is similar $50 $60 but we will make a good hits of market favoring market favors direction probability we just played probability guys and so as we have to play the probability we will buy here only guys okay so this is let's crazy guys crazy fall crazy किया हुए crazy किया हुए as soon as I get some happiness market just fluctuates all right let's Let's wait. Now the chances that the market will hit the target is extremely high. So I will not take any risk in this. So the risk is very minimal, like 20 and $30, and hopefully the target is going to achieve. It is just just pinpoint. Don't do this, please. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this, please, please, please. You're just an inch away from my target. Just centimeter, not an inch. Come on, gold. You can't do this to me. Come on, gold. Come on. Just a matter of inches, guys. Ah, you're taking support from that. Crazy, crazy, yeah. I'm not giving you any money. I'm just yeah, it will reverse. See, reverse from here. Crazy, guys, crazy. How much point it it returned from here, guys. This is not good. अच्छा बात नहीं है गोल्ड ये सब करना. रिवर्स कर जाएगा guys. This candle is extremely dangerous, not in our favor as well. Have to close this. I'm closing this position, guys, cause market has reversed. अच्छा खासा यार $200 बन जाता. And market reversed from this area, guys. My target was at this area 4557 and market reversed from 4557 only, but 0.66. दिल से बुरा लगता है गाइस. दिल से बुरा लगता है दिल से. चलो पहला ट्रेड थोड़ा सा लक्ष्मी जी आई. Now I have to see the reason. Let me bring my diary and pen. Why I took this trade. Actually, I have to write it down. Why I took this trade. Okay. So this is my pen and this is my tie. Guys. This is my tie. After getting me out and now you're going in the downward direction. This is crazy, man. So today is 4th of May 2026. So this is first trade. Sell um, XAU USD. Okay. Why I sold? Um, Reason to short. Market was in channel and at resistance. Mm, Hinted me to go in the down direction, and also the overall trend is downward. So these are the three reasons that reason to get out. profit to TP or SL. Okay, a reason is market touched the support and reversed. ठीक है. Okay, now Bitcoin is giving us a pullback, so this is a good thing. Now we have to wait for entry in the. Let me delete this drawing. So entry in the Bitcoin, silver. What is happening at silver guys? Okay, silver also took the rejection from the selling point. I am not expecting that at all. Okay, the chances of buying is extremely high now, at least in silver. I don't know about gold. Oh, gold is also touching the support again. It's fine. Why? Now this is extremely at buying zone. Can't do anything. At 1 hour time frame, gold is extremely at buying zone. Can't short. Though the market is extremely bearish, as you can see at the past daily time frame, you can see that market is bearish only. Like it can go in the downward direction, but it is taking a support at this point. So we have to be little bit careful. Okay, we'll trade for 20 more minutes. बढ़िया ट्रेड नहीं मिला मुझे यार भाई अच्छा सा ट्रेड मिल रहा था ये ट्रेड हो सकता था अपना इसका हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन नॉट दिस इज सेटिंग गुड it's been an hour but I'm trading guys it's good it's good only. Okay, now see gold is touching this again. Gold is playing with my emotions. Silver is at its buying zone, it's trend line, this is a buying zone trend line. But at the same time, as you can see, market is bearish, extremely bearish at this area. So if there is a break in this trend line, then I will become a seller, guys. The decision to not to go long in the Bitcoin is extremely good. The reason being the pullback is extremely extensive, and if we didn't find any invitation in the buying side again, we'll not jump in. Invitation I means at my price. I want to buy at at my price, not at the price that market is offering or the price action is offering. The reason being, guys, let me show you the reason why I'm not going short. Sorry, long. Um, the reason is this. This is the reason, guys. So sellers are actively waiting for these buyers to come in and they will start pumping them down. Although like the momentum is good, that it can definitely go in the up direction. But at the same time, gold, what are you doing, bro? Okay, you're just making fun of me. I'll talk later. I'll talk later. बातें उसकी ऐसी थी बातें उसकी ऐसी कहाँ टकला 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 why the sky किसको buying is coming from the EMA again, but I'm not sure this is the good buying or not. Because this is very difficult, the market will crash all of a sudden. Because there is a backing of these buyers. It will not. It will not crash all of a sudden. Oh, crazy! It went down. I should have waited, guys. This is what I want to do. It will sooner or later it will achieve. It's extremely good candidate to take on this companies. At the same time, yeah, I'm just looking at this one. This is the buying zone as well. What is that? Silver at the sell, it is at the buying zone, so you should avoid it. Let's have a quick scalp. Does it make any sense? Not really, right? Silver, silver is going in a direction. No, we will not trade like this because this will impact our psychology. Hinder my psychology because the game is about psychology. Okay? Silver, the chances that silver is coming to this is quite high. It will come. Yes. What's this? What was that? I don't know what was that. Yeah, this one is highest chance. Highest money. So this is almost the Bitcoin, nothing, gold, just playing with emotions. This break, I will be definitely a seller. What has to break, guys? What is happening now, guys? Let me tell you. This is extremely good red candle. It definitely have sent invitation to all the sellers. Sellers who jumped in selling by seeing this candle is definitely you know, panicking or getting worried about this candle, green candle that is trying to go in the direction. Though this is the buying zone, and at the buying zone, selling is happening. That is quite unrealistic. Let me try to add. I have sold. Let me see. This is my $80 stop loss. Oh no, I don't want to make this much of stop loss. I just want this much, or maybe this much. What is happening, guys? What is this? What was that? Let me just see my history, guys. Was my SL has to this TP has to be like this. This is good. Guys, TP. No, TP has to be like this. Yeah. What was that? What was that? I sold, yeah. It was my $67. What happened to my $67, guys? This is not mine. 4572. 4572. Where's 4572? Here. Never. I haven't sold. So I have to delete this. Yeah, it's not mine. Mine was this. Okay. So Yeah, these are mine, guys. Okay. Uh, so I already. What was that? What is happening, guys? Guys, 1 second. Let me just recalculate what has happened. Stop sharing. Oh God, I can't handle this much of glitchiness in my account. So what should I do? It has on strength. So 146. No, this is not wrong. 109. Before this, what is the status? Guys? 100 and something 1500. Right? Let's do it 1600. Where is me? I'm updating my database because I just. Mm, la, 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 la. Account all these payments publish maybe account. Okay, where is this? I don't want those guys. I want 106. Nine. This one. This is my money, and I am happy with my money. Yes. Let me share my money. I don't want rich girls money because in real life I know that this is not here. So I'm just refreshing, guys. So just look at this. It is 169. This is my money, guys. There is a glitch. The problem is whenever I'm developing the application, it never happened. It never happened. I've tested like huge number of money, like doing unnecessary trades. But when it comes to production, and it always breaks in production, guys. Good one. This is a really good trade, guys. This is really good trade, but I have limited myself to $10. This is crazy. So I think silver also did the same thing. Silver also fall on the same way, guys. This is a trend line break, and there's so many buyers who got trapped and just can't handle breakout. This is extremely good trade, guys. Whoever punched the trade, I have actually lost this trade. Just came out this trade with $100 profit. But whoever have done is like they're not done a crazy amount of money. They made a crazy amount of money, guys. There's a scope in Bitcoin also. Like let me see. Let's start adding. I just add some amount of Bitcoin, like point two. This is my stop loss. I don't know what is $23 my stop loss. How am not updated? What the hell is this? And just चुपचाप सबमिट कर दो भाई ठीक है थोड़ा सा और दे सकते हैं यहाँ तक बिटकॉइन में हल्का हल्का साइड करते रहेंगे अपन ठीक है पॉइंट टू टू मैं यहाँ पे वेट कर देता हूँ। सेल कर दिया मैंने। इसका भी अपन यहाँ पर रख देते हैं। इसका सेम रखेंगे अपन। ठीक है। हम मुक्का कर दूंगा अगर अपडेट नहीं हुआ। ठीक है। ऑर्डर स्ट्रीम दो है। ठीक है। दो ऑर्डर्स हैं अभी। बाकी अपन देखते हैं। क्या बात है गाइस। अरे यार, सडन स्पाइक नहीं आना चाहिए था। ठीक है भाई, आ गया तो क्या करें। थोड़ा सा पॉइंट टू और ऐड कर लेते हैं। सेम स्टॉप लॉस ही रखते हैं इसका भी। टारगेट सब नहीं रखें। अरे यार, स्टॉप लॉस जाने वाला है किसी का। गया। स्टॉप लॉस गया गाइस। किसी का तो गया। नहीं गया, बच गया। गया, स्टॉप लॉस गया गाइस। पता नहीं किस किस का गया। सी। $60 उड़ गया गाइस। अरे यार, अच्छा खासा ट्रेड था। हवाबाजी में चला गया। ओवरऑल क्या है प्रॉफिट में? $39 प्रॉफिट में गाइस आज अपन। एक ट्रेड और करेगा। एक ट्रेड और करेगा then we go ahead। Bitcoin में यार अच्छा बात नहीं है। I think we should close today's session. So we are at $39 profit. Yeah, actually we are at cost to cost. So today's trade number is So we have actually punched four trades out of them, and one is profitable and three are in loss. Overall, this ratio looks like 43% is a winning trade. That's quite a good number. Oh, we have 99 trades in profitable. We just need one more to make a century. And 130 and loss. Okay. So actually, chances of going down is extremely high. I don't know why people are not. $70 is my stop loss. Very small stop loss. Target is again this much. So I would like to. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Okay. What has happened? Why it got paused? Okay, it's 2 minutes and some seconds to close this number. This might be a challenge for us. In 1 minute, it is going to close. Okay, nice. What was that? I just found something here. 1 minute and 31 seconds, guys. And it is taking support. It's very ridiculous. Okay, so it has made his mind to go in the other direction, guys. And nothing can stop it. Yeah. So I just scored off. Oh, why it is not updating? Should have updated this. First, honestly, yeah, it has updated. So I think let's see. So overall, we have 100 profitable trades just to make this count. Actually. So that's it, guys. Let's square off today's session. I know today it was very hectic day, and overall, I didn't find this much good trade. Although, like we have made one or two good trades, but they didn't get to the targets. And I don't want to make unnecessary trades in east, west, north, south because the market is not favoring me right now. So we'll see tomorrow, and bye bye. Have a nice day.